How to set up family sharing on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. Then click on search button at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on search button at the top right, search for family and click on your people. After you've clicked on your people, click on create family group, which is at the bottom. Then you'll find this kind of screen. In here, simply click on Get Started. After that, click on Create Family Group again. Click on Confirm, Ready to be Family Manager. Then you will need to add your family's email. Simply type in, select, and press on Send. After you have pressed on Send at the bottom, it will be sent to your family member email. They will need to accept it. After they have accepted it, it will be set up in family sharing mode. And this is how to set up family sharing on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.